In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Talkie app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, because there are so many apps with similar imitations, you'll want to install the correct Talkie app. First, I'll remove this app from my phone and show you how to do it. Now, to install the app, go to Google Play Store if you're on Android like me, or App Store if you're on iPhone. From this, now just activate search and search for your app by name. So I just type Talkie like that and then run the search. As you can see, on top is our app here. Tap on it and this is the app. You want to ensure that it is from SAP, that is the company that made this app, and the tagline is Talkie Creative AI Community. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 681,000 reviews, and the app is averagely 116 MBs with over 50 million downloads at the time I'm recording this. So by the time you're watching this data might have changed. So if you see this details, then you know you have the right app. To install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Talkie app, and then it will be installed on your phone. Once it is installed, now you can open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now we have our Talkie app. So that's how you can install the right Talkie app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.